Hey, what's up techno producers? Welcome back to this channel. Today we're going to dive into the world of techno bass lines and learn how to EQ and compress them using Logic Pro X, Maschine, Neutron 4 equalizer, and the EQ and Presswerk compressor. So let's get started. Before we start, make sure you have properly set up your master bus, and if you haven't, check out my previous tutorial, Optimal Master Plugin Chain for Techno. Now, with Maschine loaded, let's create a simple techno bass line using the ARP mode. Feel free to experiment with different sounds and patterns until you find something you like. I recorded this bass line in B major and my pattern goes G sharp, F sharp, C sharp, and B flat. Once you're happy with your bass line, export it and let's move on to EQing. Now, let's add Neutron 4 equalizer as an insert effect on our bassline track. We'll use this powerful equalizer to shape the sound of our bassline and make it sit better in the mix. Start by cutting any unnecessary low frequencies and boosting the fundamental frequency of the bassline. Also, make sure to carve out space for other elements in the mix, like the kick drum. And here's how I EQ'd my bassline. Next, let's add EQ and Presswerk compressor as another insert effect on our bass bus. This compressor will help us control the dynamics of our bass line and give it more punch and presence. Go to presets, select tight synth bass, and adjust the threshold and ratio settings to achieve the desired amount of compression. I'll set the attack and release times to match the tempo of the track later. Here, I am just compressing 1 dB. Now, let's listen before and after. In the next video, I'll show you how to EQ, compress, and fine-tune your kick, so don't forget to like and subscribe to learn how to nail your kick and bass mix. Let me know your questions in comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.